Good morning, class 10 children. Today, in the continuous class, we are dealing effect of oxidation. What we had read yesterday? Redox reactions, oxidation reaction and reduction reactions. Today, we are going to study about the effect of oxidation. You see, our main topic is corrosion. Corrosion. Have you heard the name of corrosion? I think you might have heard it, or you may not have heard it. I give you some examples. You see, silver is known for a special shining. Ladies use silver jewelry also. If you are having silver jewelry, keep it for a longer time, it becomes black. It becomes black. So shining material, why it has become black? You should also know silver is a noble metal. It does not react with air or water or dilute acid very easily. But then why it has become black? There is definitely some chemical reactions, but it has become black. If it has become black, means some reaction has taken place. I shall deal it. Fact is that silver has high affinity with sulfur dioxide, and if there is sulfur dioxide or hydrogen sulfide as a pollutant in the air, what will happen? It will react with sulfur dioxide, form what? Silver sulfide, which is black. Which is what? Black. So could you get my point? When silver is kept for a longer time, it reacts with sulfur dioxide or H2S present in air if there is, and changes into silver sulfide, which is black. This is the only reason it. Now you can imagine, if sulfur made substance is there, you must have to keep in the vacuum, or so that it should not get sulfur dioxide at all. You see, in the Agra, in Delhi, more sulfur dioxide is produced. So there definitely silver materials will become black very easily. Now you see copper. Copper in our religion or in Hindu, it is considered as holy metal. पवित्र metal मानते हैं इसको. But when copper vessels is kept for a very longer time, it becomes greenish. It has green covering, and this is due to formation of basic copper carbonate. Basic copper carbonate. And you are very much aware with the iron. When iron is left in the air, it gets brownish covering. That all of you know, it is what? Rusting. So what is the definition part of the corrosion? Eating away of metals due to action of air, water or dilute acid, that is called what? Corrosion. And corrosion of iron, that is called what? Rusting. Rusting is very common. What are the causes of rusting? Number one is water. If there is no moisture. Another is what? Air. Third is what? Iron. Iron should be there, otherwise how it will be rusted? Two conditions are necessary, and iron should be there, then rusting will be possible. And how we can prevent it? How can we prevent rusting? We can prevent rusting by painting, by oiling, by greasing, by galvanizing, by chromium plating, and by making alloys. I am just discussing why we are doing this and how it prevents rusting.